Yes, students, take out your grammar books on page number 68. Day before yesterday, we discussed Unit 17, use of articles, and today we will discuss, yes, exercise. Okay. Unit 17, use of articles. And today we will discuss the answers of exercise 1. Have you all done? Yes. So you all have to take out your notebooks, pencils also. And if you have the correct answer, then you have to put a tick. Otherwise, you have to circle your answer and write down the correct one. Okay? And when you people finish your work, then at the last you have to write it down, cross-checked in class. Yes, so can we start now? Yes. Naman, you have not done work? Have you have done? Okay. So turn by turn. A, B, C, D, and then with the online students. Okay? And students, you have to type your answer in chat box. Okay? Yes, beta. Let's start with the very first one. Exercise 1, page number 68. The very first sentence is, dash umbrella is dash useful thing. Sit down. Next one.
An umbrella is a useful thing.
Yes, an umbrella is a useful thing. So the answer of the very first one is, an umbrella is a useful thing. Next one, team B. One student ने one blank का आंसर देना है. वो टीम में आगे आगे proceed होता जाएगा. Okay? Yes. Team B, the very first one. Dash English defeat dash French. Stop. Next.
The French.
The French. The English. The French. Am I clear?
Yes.
So side by side, you all have to do cross checking also. Online students, board is visible. Okay. Next one. Team C. Sri Lanka is dash island.
An island.
An island. Very good. Yes. Team D. Dash aeroplane flies in dash sky.
An aeroplane flies in the sky.
Very good. An aeroplane flies in the sky. One blank for one student. Okay. Yes, online students, it's your turn now. Type your answer in chat box for the fifth one. Dash Ramayana. Okay. Is dash holy book of dash Hindus. Bhavik, your answer is the Ramayana. Okay. Angel, O is not the correct answer for the very first one, beta. The Ramayana is a holy book of the Hindus. Yes, right answer, Bhavik. So, beta, the fifth one is the Ramayana is a holy book of the Hindus. Right, team A, it's your turn now. Dash Ganges is dash sacred river. The Ganges. Next one is dash sacred river. Right answer, Shivanshu. Right. For the sixth one, the answer is the Ganges is a sacred river. So next, the seventh one. Dash honest man is trusted by all.
An honest man is trusted by all.
Very good. An honest man is trusted by all. Team C, it's your turn now. Dash Himalayas. Right. Next one, Pradhan. Very good. The highest mountains. Next one. In the world. Very good. Next, team D. It's your turn. Nibal.
He is an Indian.
He is an Indian. Next one. Very good.
But his wife is an American.
Is an American? American. The sound is off. Yes. The American. Very good. Am I clear? Yes, now online students, it's your turn. Is the American. Tenth for 10th sentence. Yes, online students. Dash earth moves round dash sun. The earth, the sun. Right answer. Good. Write down the earth moves round the sun. Next, move towards the 11th one. Team A. Dash word to dash wise is sufficient. A word, very good. Next one. To the wise. Here, because we are talking about that particular wise person. Next one. 12th sentence. 12 sentences. Dash bird in hand is worth 2 in dash bush. Merbird. A bird in hand is, yes, next one. A bird, okay. In the bush, right. A bird in the hand is bird. 2 in the bush. Next one. Team C. Team C's turn. English is dash easy language. Is the easy language? No. The next one. Easy? No. The sound is off. Then what is the answer? An easy language. So write down the 13th one. English is an easy language. Do you think?
Yes.
Next one, team D. Dash lion is dash king of beasts. Next one. The lion. Okay. Next answer is Makshi. The king of beasts. Are you sure? Yes, online students, pass to you now. Type the answer of 14th one. 14th sentence in chat box. First one is correct. The. Okay, the lion is dash king of beasts. Yes. Okay. The lion is the king of beasts.
Yes.
Do you think this is right?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
King is also as a. How? Who will prove me? Okay, please tell me ki whether the answer of this sentence is a king of beast or the king of beast, and you have to prove it. Yes, let's start with you.
Ma'am, it is the king of beasts because a particular animal lion हम उसे particular नाम और title दिया गया नाम king of beasts इसलिए the है.
Okay, yes. What is your viewpoint for it?
We are talking about a particular thing that is a king of beasts.
We're talking about the particular animal that is the king. And here we are talking about a particular title, The King of the Peace. So, online students, it's your turn now. 15th one. Dash year ago, I visited Dash Island. Right answer. A year ago, I visited an island. Give me pencil, please. Why? Year sound, year. How you can say that earlier? Now we got 16th one, team A. He is Dash cleverest boy.
He is the cleverest boy.
Yes, pass to team B now. Whose turn? Yes, Angad. He is the cleverest boy in Dash class. In the class. Very nice. He is the cleverest boy in the class. Now come to the 17th one. Dash Himalayas lie to dash north of India. The Himalayas. Okay. Okay, you will speak out the answer then. Sorry. The north. The Himalayas lies to the north of the 18th one. Dash good boy always speaks dash truth. We can take any particular boy, my dear. What is the answer? A good boy. A good boy always speaks the truth. Yes, online students, it's your turn now. My uncle who teaches in Dash University is Dash honest man. Yes, what about others? Avisha, Dhruvika. Why you people are not typing your answers in chat box? Parsh, Manraj. Yes. An honest man. Or university and honest man. Next, it's A. Finish ho chuki. Yes, Sarthak, it's your turn from team. English is dash language. English is dash language. Yourself. Pass to team B. Whose turn, Ankita? Yes, the. Sorry, English is the language of next the people of England. So this is all about the answers. I hope all the answers are clear to all. So now, beta, yes. Why? The sound of yo, you, why, you, wa, and you की sound उस दिन हमने discuss करी थी ना? When we have the sound of wa and when we have the sound of you, then we have to use oh, not wo. Sorry, not and.
He is an Indian. Ma'am, but his wife is ma'am हमने the American history लिखा.
American की sound देखो. And American भी हम बोलते होते हैं, but here we are talking about that particular country, ना. एक particular part के साथ हम consist करके उसको बात कर रहे हैं. Cross check in class and write down today's date also. Hurry up. Online students, you also write down on your book, please. Cross checked in class. Write down today's date. Okay. So now we will do one more practice of this articles. So how we will do? I will just speak one sentence and you have to write down the answer only. आपने सिर्फ उसका आंसर लिखना है नोटबुक्स पे. So take out your notebooks now. Yes, you have to close your grammar books. If you have written cross-checked in class, and you have to mention today's date also. कि आपने कब check करी है. Yes, online students, take out your notebooks now. Yes, now on your classwork notebooks, beta, write down today's date, practice assignment. Practice assignment. Yes. So I will speak out one sentence and you have to write down only answers. Okay. Why? Because we are going to practice the articles in the form of MCQ. And you all know that the MCQ articles में क्या हो सकता है? A and the. Okay. Sometimes some both options are correct or none of the above. Okay. So, but in class you have only the three options: a, and the. Okay. So yes, are you all ready?
Yes.
Write down the very first sentence. Answer. Write down the answer of the very first sentence. So you have to listen the sentence very carefully. After all, man has conquered dash moon. After all, man has conquered dash moon. Conquered means to say कि जिसके ऊपर हम एक तरह के साथ win कर लेते हैं, है ना? Conquered dash moon. Only answer. Dash का आप आंसर लिखेंगे. And you have to mention today's date, practice assignment, and in bracket you have to mention practice assignment के साथ you have to mention use of articles. Okay. First of all, we will do a few sentences, not more, at least 5, and after that we will discuss. Right. Next one. Dash uncle of mine. I again repeat. Dash uncle of mine has to come by dash next train. Dash uncle of mine. Write down the answer of very first sentence. इसमें 2 blanks हैं. Dash uncle of mine has to come by dash next train. Done?
Yes.
Yes, online students, have you done?
Yes.
Only answers. Yes, again. Dash uncle of mine has to come by dash next train. Okay. Next one. Third sentence. Tom belongs to dash United Kingdom. Tom belongs to dash United Kingdom. Next one. Fourth sentence. Draw dash map of Punjab. Draw dash map of Punjab. Next one is fifth one. She is dash untidy girl. She is dash untidy girl. She is dash untidy girl. 5 sentences we have done now. Okay, first of all we will do the cross checking of these 5, then we will move the next. Okay, yes, team A, let's start. Not with team A, but with the pending students. Yes, Pratiksha, let's start with you. What is the answer of the very first one? After all, man has conquered the moon. So please put a tick if your answer is correct. If it is not, then mark as a circle and make it correct. After all, man has conquered the moon. Yes, Shivansh, you have not answered me even a single word. Dash uncle of mine. An uncle of mine. Very good. Yes. Yes, an uncle of mine has come to buy the next train. Very good. Yes, who is left now? Finish? Yes, online student. Who will give me the answer of the third one? Tom belongs to Dash United Kingdom. Type your answer in chat box. Yes, Avisha, Dhruvika. Yes, the Tom belongs to the United Kingdom. Very good. Next one, fourth sentence. Let's start with team A. Your turn, beta. Draw dash map of Haryana. Draw the map of Punjab. Okay. Draw the map of Punjab. Because here we are talking about the specific state. Next one, team B, Naman. She is dash untidy girl. An untidy girl. Very good. Next now, in this way again you have to write down the answers only. There is no need to use the fluid. If your answer is incorrect, put a small cross in front of it and write down the correct answer. No issue. Yes, no issue. No, sixth question now. Sixth one. 5 we have done now. So now let's start with the sixth one. Are you all ready?
Yes.
Okay. Next one is, have you never seen dash elephant? 6 sentences. Have you never seen dash elephant? First of all, write down after that. Yes, only one blank. Okay. Next one. Hari reads dash Gita every day. Hari reads dash Gita every day. Hari reads dash Gita every day. 7th one. Next one is better. 8th sentence. Oranges are sold by dash dozen. Oranges are sold by dash dozen. Done?
Yes.
Now come to the next one. Now you have to do the 9th one. Na? More I hear dash pop music. More I hear dash pop music. Less I like it. More I hear dash pop music. Less I like it. Sorry. Pop music. जितना मैंने सुना उतना मुझको कम पसंद है. Next one is My father went to dash school. My father, the 10th sentence is, my father went to dash school to see dash headmaster. To see dash headmaster. Done. My father went to dash school to see dash headmaster. Okay. Yes. So the 6th sentence, have you never seen dash elephant? Take the collective answer, but don't shout. Okay. An elephant. The answer of the 6th one is an elephant. So now let's move the 7th one. Hari reads dash Gita every day. The Gita every day. Very good. Next one is oranges are sold by a dozen. Come to the next one. More I hear dash pop music. The pop music, less I like it. And after that, the 10th one is my father went to the school to see the headmaster. So all the answers are clear to all? Sure? Yes. So you are on your notebooks also. You have to write it down, cross-checked in class, and mention today's date also. On your notebooks also, beta, write it down, cross-checked in class. And we have also done the cross-checking of preposition now. So on your book also, on your notebooks also, wherever we have done, you have to mention that note. Am I clear? So first of all, tell me that have you all done your letter writing? Yes. So today I will take your notebooks for the correction. Okay? Yes, online students, letter writing is finished. Okay, great. Okay, students, thank you. That's all from my side.